Okay, we made it through the trees.
So?
Now, we gotta go down here.
I'm not waiting for him to finish his commentary.
Where are you going? You're going the easy way. You're going the easy way. I'm going the hard way. Uh-oh, uh-oh. Where'd he go? See, that's why you don't let him go first. Because watch this. Oh! Awesome! So awesome!
What?
Oh, awesome! Come over here, buddy, Stoke. Oh, moguls. Get away from the moguls. Here's Gavin. Oh, here's you. Thank you, Phil. Gavin! Gavin!
Yeah?
Oh, buddy, Stoke.
I got stuck beneath the pine tree.
Say that on camera.
Huh?
Ready?
Look at the wonderful scenery.
Man. Look at the, yeah, see? That's what I say when I get tired. Take a break and look at the Lord's creation. Jeez. Alright, let's go down here. Oh! Oh, can't get up.
Oh, how do you think I feel? I'm going down like 10 feet.
Alright.
After you, my good man.
Might be time to shut this off. Before we get started, it's just